We're here with the Wills Group today, participating in a Project Clean Stream event to kick off the start of our partnership with them, where they're helping us get out in the rivers and streams here in the Little Patuxent River to help clean up our waterways. It's really important for companies like Wills Group to get involved with different cleanup efforts around the Chesapeake Bay watershed because they help employ so many of the 18 million people who live, work, and play here in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. So as an employer, they have an opportunity to help raise the bar and engage more folks in this effort across the watershed.
Wills Group, it's one of our kind of values is to really give back to the community. So it's really important to have our employees participate. We love to do community-sponsored events for employees, and we had about 15 folks out here today. So it was really great to celebrate in this inaugural Project Clean Stream event. We're extremely excited to be partners with the Alliance for the Chesapeake Bay. We think there's really a bright future ahead. We look forward to building that relationship on the years and decades ahead.
We are so excited to kick off our partnership with the Wills Group today, and we appreciate them joining us to help clean up our local streams and rivers, and we look forward to working with them again in the future.